Hey there, Sunshine! So today I'm going to be unboxing my October Sephora play that I just got in the mail and haven't even peeked. That is right, I actually waited 2 seconds from walking to my front door to walking to my bedroom to not even look inside of my October Sephora play. So, for those of you who don't know, Sephora Play is a monthly makeup and beauty subscription from Sephora. Everything that you get inside of your Sephora play are products that you can purchase inside of Sephora. It is $10 a month. You get 5 to 6 samples. They have started sending out like perfume samples again. Like I got a perfume sample in my last box and I heard a lot of people have gotten perfume samples in the October boxes. So the 6th item, the bonus item, is a perfume sample. And then the other 5 items are like makeup and skincare and hair care and everything like that. In every Sephora play, when you get every Sephora play box, you get $10. Like you spend $10, so you get 10 points added to your Beauty Insider account. In addition, you also get a play pass. You can take this play pass in store and be invited to like, special events going on in your area where you can learn about how to better use the products inside of your box. And inside, if you bring this in with you when you go shopping at Sephora, so basically by the end of October, you have to spend $20 inside of Sephora to be able to redeem the 50-point card. That's for every month. Every month you get this play pass. So basically this play pass brings you an extra 50 points if you spend $20 plus insider details and bonuses and like event invites. I just want to take a second for us to look at the masked villain jigsaw thing. Freaking the Saw series is like one of my favorite horror movies or horror series ever. So with all of that said, I can't wait to see what's inside of our bag. Also, they've redone the bag so they don't send out the painted canvas bags anymore. They send out these plastic like Ziploc bags. This is like the 2nd month that I've gotten mine, but they have like all these little drawings on it and it's really super cute. But that's not what we care about. We care what's about inside of the bag. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and dump everything out, and then nothing is coming out. Why is nothing coming out? And then we're gonna talk about anything. Basically, I still can't get anything out, but I've never gotten a full-size product with Sephora Play. I mean, like with Ipsy and Birchbox and like other subscription boxes, I have gotten full-size products, but I've never gotten anything full-size from Sephora. But I mean, that makes sense because like it's Sephora, so literally even just breathing their air costs like $20. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is this thing from Bare Minerals. This is Patent Lip Lacquer. Is this a lip product? Obviously, it says lip lacquer. And then it says everything. Okay. Wait, I need to show you guys the packaging. So here's the packaging. Oh, I just dropped it. We're off to a great start. I've already dropped my first product. Okay, so the first thing that I'm pulling out is from Bare Minerals. This is Gen Nude and everything. So I don't know if this is going to be like a lip gloss. But here is the sample size that we got. Let's go ahead. I'm not even wearing any lip product today. I was trying to be good and see, so like in case I did get anything, we could test it out. So just from pulling it out, it does look like it's gonna be lip gloss. And it has that vanilla scent that I'm so familiar with like Tarte products and stuff like that, but I'm gonna go ahead and put it on so we can see what it looks like. This is honestly such a pretty shade. Again, this is shade Everything, and it's so natural. Literally, I always call Sephora out for being more of an Instagram makeup subscription box because they send out the bright colors that I feel like they only send them out in their Sephora Play boxes because they don't sell very well in store. But look how pretty this is. This lip gloss is very thick feeling. It's sticky. It does have that tacky feeling, but it's very like, it's not super annoyingly tacky. Again, I'm not a huge like lover of tacky lip glosses, so it's kind of getting on my nerves, but it's not like the super tacky feeling that you get with like cheap lip glosses. It's very thick feeling. It's very like creamy feeling, but it does still have a slight tackiness to it. However, I love the shine to it. It's very, very shiny. I love the scent of it. It's not making the back of my throat burn, which is a problem that I commonly have with lip glosses when I'm allergic to them, but I'm not having that problem with this whatsoever, and I'm so freaking in love with the color. So we're off to an amazing start already with Sephora, and we still have 5 more items to go, so let's keep going. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Clinique. Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen. I literally just called them out about not sending out full-size products, and like look how big this package is. This to me looks like a full-size eyeliner. Pretty Easy Liquid Eyelining Pen in shade Black. I've never gotten any other liner except for the tattoo liner from Kat Von D in my Sephora Play. So I think this is a full-size eyeliner. Hold up, I have to read to see if it is. I'm not seeing anywhere on the package or in my manual if this is a full-size product or not. Even if it isn't, like this is This is a really big like sample size, so I can't even imagine how big the full size version is. Like, look, doesn't that look like a full size liquid eyeliner? Okay, so this is from Clinique. I didn't even know Clinique made eyeliner. I didn't even know this was a thing. Look how fine the tip of that is. So I'm just gonna paint on the back of my hand so we can see. Oh, there's a little bit of lifting, but that's probably on me. Oh my God, that's actually, it literally, my hands are so shaky. I'm sorry, I can't even draw a straight line on the back of my hand. So it's not like super intense black. Like it's kind of like it's not the blackest eyeliner I've ever seen before. However, it literally dried so fast on the back of my hand, and I like how fine the tip is. It's not as fine as the Kat Von D Tattoo eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and just rub it on the back of my hand, and it's not smudge proof, as you guys can see. Like, it's lifting very easy. Next thing that I'm pulling out is from Tarte. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is Quench Hydrating Primer from Tarte. Rainforest to the Sea. Okay, yes, so excited. Look how cute the packaging is. Like, look how cute that is. How could you be mad at that at all? And I have never actually, no, that's my, I don't know. I don't think I've ever received a Tarte product in my Sephora Play boxes, and like the Rainforest of the Sea. Oh my gosh, yes. So excited. So this is a hydrating primer. The only thing I'm going to knock is I have my beauty profile marked as extremely oily skin. And this is like the second hydrating primer that I've received in my Sephora Play. Like last month or 2 months ago maybe, I got the Too Faced Hangover Primer. That's a hydrating primer. This is a hydrating primer. So I don't feel like they look at our beauty profiles when filling up our boxes. However, I haven't, like, it's on me because I haven't gone through and changed. Since I've started my acne treatment, my skin has been so incredibly dry. Plus, it's October, it's cold, our skin is automatically going to be drier. So I understand why they put this in. I just don't feel like they look at our beauty profiles when they put products like this. But this is a decent sample size. It's not as big as the Too Faced Hangover Primer. The next thing that I'm pulling out of my box is Fresh Rose Face Mask. Infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. Okay, so the packaging is cute. I've gotten this brand before in my Sephora Play boxes, and they weren't ever a brand that the first face mask that I got from them, it wasn't something that I was like super duper in love with. I kind of felt like their face mask kind of make my face break out worse, but this is hydrating, and like I said, my skin is really dry, so I do need hydrating. I'm not gonna go off on another tangent about that, but here is the sample size that we got. I would say personally this will maybe work on my face. Like, I'll be able to get like 2 or 3 treatments out of this. Oh my gosh, that is a crazy looking face mask. That looks like honey or like Italian olive oil. Like, you know when they put like Italian seasoning and olive oil, and like that's that? I don't know. It doesn't, or it looks like barbecue sauce from McDonald's. It smells like rose. I definitely get that floral rosy scent. The next thing that I'm pulling out is a perfume sample from YSL. It says Mon Paris. Okay, I'm really excited because I'm so happy that I got another perfume sample in my Sephora Play boxes. It's something that I miss getting because they stopped doing it for a while, and they sent out like, there was one time where I got scented hair perfume. They were scented hair wipes. So you would wipe your hair to defrizz your hair, and it was scented, and I was like, don't ever do that to me again, Sephora. Even though I'm really, really picky about the perfumes that I do like, I like musks, and I'm always looking for citrus scented perfume. I like playing around with my scents. I like playing around with my body chemistry and trying and seeing what certain perfumes, how they react with my body chemistry and what they end up smelling like. White musk is always my go-to though. So here we have a perfume sample that is like halfway full. I hate that. I hate when it's like, if you're gonna send out a perfume sample, like, don't make me question whether or not my perfume sample has been used. But hey, at least they sent out like a squirt bottle version. Like, I hate it when they send out like the cap, the one where you like dip the wand in and you're supposed to like wipe it on your wrist, because I always end up spilling them. So happy that I got a spray bottle, not happy that I got a like product that I'm like, is this been used before? We still have one more item in our box. The next thing that I'm pulling out is from Claudel. It's Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay. So that perfume is a really, really freaking strong. I like can't breathe. So this isn't a dropper. That's fancy. This is like a glass bottle. Like, look, listen, ASMR with Elizabeth. Yeah, it's glass. So I don't really know what this is because there actually is not any description on the bottle whatsoever how to use this. So I'm gonna have to go back to my Sephora Play booklet, and it says, "Let there be bright Vino Perfect Radiance Serum, an oil-free radiance boosting serum that visibly evens skin tone. Yes, it combats the appearance of dark spots with natural ingredients. Plus, it absorbs quickly into your skin for ultimate hydration. I need something to help me fight dark spots. I have so much scarring and hyperpigmentation, so I'm all about it. And plus, if it's gonna give me like a radiance boost to my skin, yes, thank you, Sephora. So in total for $10, I got a radiance boosting serum from Claudel, a perfume sample from YSL, a liquid eyeliner from Clinique, a face mask from Fresh, a hydrating base primer from Tarte Rainforest the Sea Collection, and a lip gloss from Bare Minerals. And the lip gloss, the tackiness has kind of settled down. It's not as tacky feeling anymore. Like, I feel like I can comfortably talk and not have to feel like I have to like put a lot of effort into pulling my lips apart. Definitely very exciting to use the hydrating base primer. So in total, I got 3 makeup products, 2 skincare, and 1 perfume sample, which is like the balance of what I got last month in my last Sephora Play box. I'm happy with this box. I feel like the most disappointing thing for me in this box is going to be between the eyeliner and the face mask. I really am not in love with this brand, and I'm disappointed in the quality of this. I've seen like way better eyeliners from drugstores, so like that makes me think why it's in Sephora Play. Like, even as it's completely dry, I've been filming for like 20 minutes, it's still smudging, so not totally in love. And I like my eyeliner to be like super duper black, but I'm so happy with the lip gloss. I'm happy with the primer, and I'm so happy that they sent out a decent sized skincare sample. Like, yes, way to go, Sephora. You're getting so much better. You guys are doing wonderful. Keep on the track that you're going. So that's it for everything that I got in my October Sephora Play box. What was your favorite item in your box, or what did you get in your Sephora Play box? I can't wait to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.